So we'll make it quick. We're not going to talk about the we started in a log cabin with dirt floors or any of that stuff. But we have offices around the country. We have offices in Canada and West Coast, East Coast, wherever. Nothing is like Charlotte County and the way they've done this. From the people in the economic development team, you come here, inspectors actually answer their phones. You can make appointments. They don't just say it's going to be sometime between 8 and 5. Everybody's accommodating. We've had a great experience from planning, development, construction. When we go to other offices, we opened an office in Seattle recently, just outside of Seattle. And you want to hire people there, you take an ad out on Monster Jobs or Indeed or whatever. No one comes and says, hey, I'm going to help you find people that fit your jobs. No one does this. So it's very unique and very special here. And so I just want to thank everybody. It's been a great experience. And I honestly would tell anybody else, no matter what office it is, it's not like here. So that was the first thing. And the second thing is Dan Martindale. Wave to everyone, Dan, so they don't know who you are.